Hi guys, today we're making a quick 15-minute tandoori omelette sandwich. This is a big hit in India. Every kind of Indian family has their own twist on it. Today I'm going to show you mine. Right, let's start with our tandoori marinade. Okay, first off I've got some yogurt, just some plain Greek yogurt which I've hung just to reduce that water out. That's been hanging there for about an hour, and a lot of that water's been reduced. Then we go in straight into our yogurt. We go in with half a teaspoon of ginger, followed by a good hit of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, some ground coriander, some black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and some ground cumin. Then a heaped teaspoon of our tandoori, and just give everything a good mix up. Great, that's coming along. So I've got some fresh garlic here. I'm just going to take the end off, just give it a good smash. Right, just give your garlic a good fine chop. We're just going to top it with some salt, and that salt's going to kind of help us puree it. You don't want chunks of garlic, you just want it into like a paste. Perfect, straight in with our garlic. And we're going to go in with some freshly squeezed lemon juice. Right, give everything a really good stir. That's got garlic, ginger, yogurt, lemon juice, lots of tandoori spices, and that's just flavour. Right, tandoori marinade done. Okay, right, let's crack 2 eggs into our bowl. Right, we're going to finely dice some onion. Lots of onion and an egg in an Indian tandoori omelette. Loads of fresh onion. And we're going to go in with some red pepper. And again, you want it nice and fine. Lovely, red pepper in. And got some fresh mint from my garden. Now you can use fresh mint, fresh coriander. I haven't got coriander today, but I love mint, so this is going straight in. Lovely, straight in. Outstanding. Just look at those colours right there, outstanding. Let's season our eggs, and we're going in with some black pepper, some salt, some ground coriander, some cumin, some turmeric, and finally a hit of chili. I give everything a really good whisk. Coat the pan with some olive oil. Circle the pan, make sure it's all nicely coated. Beautiful, nice hot pan, and our egg goes straight in with our egg mixture. Just going to spread that around a bit so it gets nicely cooked. Right, and after a few seconds, when the egg starts to cook, just going to push the egg to one side, and then that loose egg is just going to fall out, and just going to coat the pan. And then I'm just going to tap this down just to flatten it all back out again. Right, at this stage I'm going to slice my omelette in half, so it's kind of like a similar shape to my bread. Yeah, into like 2 little semicircles, and that's going to make it easier for me to just flip over. And one more. Perfect. Perfect, our egg is ready. And now I'm just going to remove this from the pan and place it directly onto my bread. And I've got some really nice sourdough bread here. So it's going to kind of just like, I want the egg falling off the sides, right? But not too much. So I'm just going to kind of fold my sandwich up, right? I'm just going to place it in nicely like so. Okay, so our pan stays on the heat because this sandwich isn't finished by any means, right? So right now what we're going to do is we're going to top our sandwich, right, with the other loaf, and we're just going to give it its sourdough so it can hold on to all that steam and that heat from the egg. And I'm just going to push this down, right? Beautiful. And then I'm going to get my beautiful tandoori marinade that we made a little bit earlier. And I'm just going to lather this on to the bread. And then this is going to go a little bit of oil on the bread, a little bit of oil in my pan, and this is going to go back onto the heat, tandoori side down. Now we're talking. And while that side's doing its thing, we go in with more tandoori paste on this side and really get it cooking. Beautiful. Right, let's give this a flip. Right, nice, confident flip. Beautiful. And you just want that beautiful char there on both sides of the bread. Perfect, I think that's ready. Right, let's take this off the heat. And we're just going to let it sit on our board and just rest for about 3 or 4 minutes and just cool right down. Yeah. Right, let's slice into this beauty. Outstanding, look at that. Right, this is my perfect tandoori omelette sandwich, packed with flavour, something a little bit different. I'll have this for dinner. It takes 15 minutes and it's outstanding. Almost knocked it over. It's outstanding. Right, let me get stuck into this before I mess something up. Right, let's get stuck into this. This looks immense. Oh, it looks beautiful. Just look at the colour on the bread. Look at that. Stunning tandoori. Unreal. Just bring back memories of my childhood. It's ram-packed with flavour. Just so much flavour. It's got to be one of the best ways to eat egg. And guys, make this one. It's not just delicious. It's absolutely effing delicious. So good.